Moods of verbs. Mood. It is a form of verb that the manner in the action or condition is conceived, intended, or expressed. There are three moods of verbs. 1. Indicative mood. 2. Imperative mood. And 3. Subjunctive mood. Indicative mood. A verb stating an apparent fact or asking a question or opinion. Used to point out something. Example, she was studying all day long. The speaker thinks it's a fact. Imperative mood is a category of verb forms that use to express orders, instructions, commands, or requests. Example, close the door please. This example is expressing a request. Subjunctive mood. Verb forms that we use to express things that are not facts. Wishes, possibilities, doubts, suggestions, conditions, etc. Drop the letter S from the third person singular used be instead of is, are, or am. Example, it may rain tomorrow. It is not a fact yet. It is a possibility in the speaker's mind. The board recommended that the motion be passed immediately. The word be is used in this sentence instead of the word is. Special thanks to Google and Screencast-O-Matic. Thank you for watching.